Today we are back with some new IEMs. In fact, it's a brand that I've honestly never heard of. Eh? Yeah, no, we like to do things different. Oh. These ASTROTEC Vesna wireless earphones are placed firmly within the £15 to £20 range. They have indeed been sent to us today from keephifi, which I've got to say cheers, nice one. However, I will note that within this review today, it is an unbiased review, and I will endeavour to be truly honest. Now, sliding open the ASTROTEC IEMs, they are pleasantly presented in very thick cutout foam. There is a side compartment revealing a simple pouch to keep your earphones in, keeping them nice and tidy and faulty free, that is while you're on the go. We also have some spare ear tips and a 3.5mm to USB-C adapter. Looking closer at the Vesna earphones themselves, they do have bullet-like head gels. They are made of a cool to touch aluminium material and they certainly feel lightweight. They have a silver matte finish with blue engraved crossheads on their faceplates. They do have fully attached cables, having quite a premium look, with a metal splitter and a straight 3.5mm jack sitting to the opposite end. Comfort-wise though, with these ASTROTEC earphones, while they were placed within our ears, the ear tips don't really fit perfect, and nor do they supply good passive noise isolation, due to the ear tips' thinness. Nevertheless, we did try some aftermarket ones out, and they did provide us with a better fit and comfort for long use. Audio, yep, the volume certainly is quite loud, but the bass, well, the quality is very apparent from the off. You know what, I'd say in simple terms, that the bass is 60% absent. It is way too relaxed for my liking. For example, when it comes to powerful hip-hop beats, the bass basically rumbles. It is quite airy and not impactful enough. Highs on the other hand, treble is nice and smooth, the hi-hats sound very forward, nice and crisp, and well defined. Mid-tones on the other hand are very forward, but you know what, vocal notes in certain particular songs, they do feel a little laid back, and again with certain genres of music, mid-tones do sound better while playing pop music, when comparing it to, say, hip-hop music. So for example, when we've got some energetic hip-hop tracks playing, like Ice Cube, Only Me, you don't really feel that the audio is aggressive enough with the mids. Sibilancy is absolutely quite fine, the soundstage is just about average, but they do have pretty decent sound depth and width. I personally do understand the price range, but I slightly do think that a lower price tag would be more fitting. The ASTROTEC Vesna earphones are definitely a good choice in terms of build quality, and are suitable for people that prefer wired earphones over wireless ones that don't want to spend a fortune. But on the other hand, if you're simply a bass head, then these earphones might not be up your street. But you know what guys, what do you think? Comment down below if you own these earphones, or in fact if you know of wired earphones that actually sound pretty good for a low price. What we think today is we're going to give them a 7 out of 10. Again, it is basing that score within that price range. And what we'll do right now is we'll leave a handy little link in the video description down below where you can simply check the details out for these earphones for yourself. And if you have liked what you've seen within this video, well, go ahead and go get yours. If you are in that video description down below, or even if you're not, go ahead and like and share this video right now. I'd very much appreciate it. Not only that, hit the subscribe button, as I'd really appreciate the support. Thank you very much. Bearing in mind though to hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on our very next upload. Now we are going to shoot out very quick reviews this week and we're going to simply get right to the point. So I hope you all stick around, but as usual, we hope you all stay safe and thank you ever so much for watching. Peace! I'm hungry now. Right, a pot noodle and a whack I think.